airplane flying up high. B is for balloons floating in the sky. C is for cat, so fluffy and sweet. D is for drum, let's march to the beat. Boom, boom! Come along, let's go explore letters and words and so much more. Sing them loud from A to Z. An alphabet adventure, just you and me. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish that swims all day long. G is for guitar, strumming a tune. H is for hippo who hums to the moon. Come along, let's go explore letters and words and so much more. Sing them loud from A to Z. An alphabet adventure, just you and me. I is for ice cream, yummy and cold. J is for jelly beans, color so bold. K is for kite, flying so free. L is for ladybug, tiny as can be. M is for monkey, swinging around. N is for nest, where birds can be found. O is for octopus, waving hello. P is for penguin, in the ice and snow. Come along, let's go explore letters and words and so much more. Sing them loud from A to Z. An alphabet adventure, just you and me. Q is for queen, wearing a crown. R is for rain falling all around. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for train chugging through the night. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin playing nearby. W is for whale, splashing with glee. X is for xylophone, a song just for me. Y is for yawn when bedtime is near. Z is for zebra, let's give a cheer. We sang the letters A to